The shocking truth is, your PostgreSQL is running at 25% capacity because you never touch shared_buffers. Most developers leave shared_buffers at its default 128 megabytes setting. That's like buying a Ferrari and never shifting out of first gear. Let's fix that right now. The golden rule: set shared_buffers to 25% of your total RAM for dedicated database servers. Running on 32 gigabytes RAM. That's 8 gigabytes for shared_buffers. Simple math, massive performance gain. But here's the game-changing part: if you're on Windows, stop at 512 megabytes. Windows handles memory differently, and going higher actually hurts performance. Linux users, you can go all out. Quick setup steps. Find PostgreSQL.conference. Locate shared_buffers line. Set it to 25% of RAM. Restart PostgreSQL. Warning: don't blindly copy these settings. If you're on a shared server running other services, stick to 15 to 20% instead. Your system needs breathing room. Here's what happens when you get it right: queries that took seconds now take milliseconds. Your database cache hit ratio jumps from 80% to 99%. That's the difference between a sluggish app and one that flies. Monitor your changes with this query. Select pg_size_pretty:"bigint". I've optimized hundreds of PostgreSQL servers, and this single setting change often delivers the biggest performance boost. Your database is begging for more memory. Give it what it needs. Take action now. Check your shared_buffers, make the change, and watch your database transform from a turtle to a cheetah.